Buenos días. ¿Cómo está, clase? Hoy es el 5 de Mayo. Today is the 5th of May. It's an important holiday here in the United States, which commemorates the Battle of Puebla. In 1862, the Mexican army defeated the French with much fewer resources, people, artillery, and it's a real symbol of pride for Mexican Americans here in the United States. Unfortunately, you will notice there's no Cinco de Mayo parade, obviously due to the virus. But if there's any unique way you can think of celebrating, maybe making a special meal for your family or discussing your own historical events of your own ancestry, which makes you proud to be who you are. So take a moment today to celebrate Cinco de Mayo and think of all the important contributions that Mexican Americans bring to us in the United States, and enjoy your day. I hope you can spend some time outside. I'm just going to spend 1 to 2 minutes answering some of your common questions here. As you can see here, this is the second week of our writing. Basically, I'm expecting you to continue with your draft either by submitting it to me by the end of every week, or just keep it in progress and keep writing, and I'll keep giving feedback. I hope to give feedback by everyone by the end of the day on Monday. So by the time you're watching this, you should already have feedback, edit marks on your page. Do not delete those edit marks. I will resolve them once I see that you have accurately edited your work. If you have specific questions about my edit marks, please just comment right in your Google Doc. You can comment and ask me questions there, or you can send me an email, or you can join for our Google Hangout. So our Google Hangout will just be this week on Thursday because you have a 4-day week this week. So I will just join you on Thursday and not Tuesday and Thursday. So just come and join on Thursday if you want specific support. I'll send an update on how to join me for my office hours on Thursday. So also, here's last week's sort of update. I just kind of expect when I click in here for the week, there are 4 things I put in here. The video for today, for this week. Also, some of you were wanting more access to online children's books. And so here, Miss Andrews did a great job of compiling videos on how to access children's books in Spanish. And so if you wanted to get some ideas, some theme ideas, some grammar ideas, you can look in here. The discussion post for the week. What's one question you have regarding your writing or grammar in Spanish? Ask me anything. So post a question. I'm keeping these posts visible for other people because you might have the same question. And after 25 classmates post, you might have 25 good answers. Also, this is the last week of doing extra vocabulario y gramática. Of course, you can keep going next week if you want, but there's no more additional work posted in there. So please, again, check out the calendario here to sort of get an idea of what the next few weeks look like. Again, every week you'd want to have your new draft complete. Some people are asking, do I do the layout at the same time? You can if you want. I suggest writing first, layout second, because I will start guiding you next week and the week after in illustration ideas, Google Slides, and all of that. Right now, we're deep into the writing. Here's additional resources for your children's book, your editing, grammar key, and any trabajo diario from the weeks past you can find back here in esta carpeta azul. Okay, I hope everyone is doing well. We miss you. I much prefer teaching in person. You all add a lot of vibrancy and excitement and kindness in the classroom, and we as teachers really miss seeing you. Finally, please be signing up for Spanish Level 2 at the high school. Level 1 means you've had 0 Spanish before. Level 2 is a great fit for you, and let me know if you have other questions. Muy bien. Adios.